Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Do-it-yourself plant decor can be a refreshing way to bring nature into the modern home interior. While adding a personal and creative touch to your decor, here are some ideas to inspire your plant-based projects. One of the simplest and the most stylish do-it-yourself decor ideas is creating hanging planters. Using macrame, you can make intricate plant hangers that suspend small pots from ceiling or walls. This works especially well in modern boho interiors, adding a natural homemade element for a more minimalist approach. Use sleek metals or ceramic planters with leather or rope straps to complement contemporary spaces. Hanging plants such as ferns or trailing ivy can create a beautiful cascading effect, bringing life to the unused vertical space. Another trick and easy to result project is designing plant shelves. Floating shelves can be stored in any room. Terrariums are another great option for modern interiors. For a more striking design, consider a plant wall or vertical garden. Repurposed items can also transform into creative planters. Skeleton frames are another creative way to display plants. You can craft your own by placing skeletons into a shell box frame filled with soil and moss. For a more functional and space-saving approach, you can create a kitchen herb garden using small pots or mason jars, mounting on a wooden board or placed on window sills. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.